The latest Samsung Galaxy J7 was unveiled in Europe just over a month ago, and since then AT&T has started selling its own Galaxy J7 2017, with specs and styling much more akin to the J7V released for Verizon in March. In fact, the outward appearance of the phone shows that this is the same phone but with slightly tweaked internals. The J7 actually has many variants, all in the mid-range field. This particular one seems to blend elements from Verizon's J7V, released in March, and the unlocked 2016 Galaxy J7, which was released in April of last year. Selling for $240 off contract, AT&T's new J7 2017 has a lot of competition. This price and configuration lands it in the company of the higher-spec 2016 J7, Motorola's consistent and reliable G-series, and even some solidly spec Chinese brands, like the well-received Honor 6X. Leaving aside screen size, the iPhone SE also competes in this price range. So, does this mix-and-match remix offer enough of Samsung's flair and capability to win out decisively over these highly competitive, unlocked, and AT&T-friendly mid-rangers? Here you'll find most of what you'd want or expect in a phone, including Bluetooth 4.1, Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/nac/r, and quad-band support, so it should work fine in most countries. As a mid-ranger, we didn't expect to see NFC, but it would have been nice, especially to support Samsung Pay. If Samsung truly wants their payment platform to become universal, they could start by including it in their newest phones. Yes, even their mid-rangers. Looks like you'll have to jump to the Galaxy A7 to get both this and the increasingly popular USB-C charging port. Wireless charging, though, is reserved for only flagship-level Samsungs, right now.